Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW T-Roc Design. This car comes with the 1 litre engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and returning up to 46 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 11 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 34,000 miles and comes with full service history from VW. This particular colour is the metallic Indium Grey, and also you have the black gloss roof there. And the paintwork looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have a nice clean interior. The seats there are in really good condition. There's a armrest and 2 cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, automatic cruise control there, which is active on the left hand side of the steering wheel, so this car follows the car in front and brakes accordingly. And then you have automatic headlights and wipers, and finally on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being a small SUV, the T-Roc has a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as a couple of charging ports. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable, so you can raise the height if you wish, or you can lower it as it is now to increase the volume. And below that you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.